how to set up Google Tag Manager extension by we. Then first go to the extensions once she is installed. You need to search on GTM. It is the only difficulty because the name of the extensions is not very clear. You have to activate the extension. Once the extension is activated, you have to go to plugin. You go to plugin, and there is the same problem. Once you are in plugin, you need to search for GTM. It is the second problem. Once you are here, it is very, very simple. You have to click on System GTM Inject, and then you have just to copy and paste your Google Tag Manager code, like I've done here on enregistrer et fermer. Then you can verify on your internet site. I will go to my internet site. Voilà, je vais aller là. Here you can see, if you click on afficher la source, the extension is here, and all is perfect. All is perfect. That's all.